Welcome to Adharshala coding classes. This is the second part of the video. In the previous session, we made the project where we have seen how the cat was moving when you press on the green flag. It was enjoying the weather. When you press on the space bar, the bat appeared on the screen and now the cat is running. Now, we want to help the cat. For this, we want him to escape, and now we will make the second part of the code where we would like to help the cat escape from the bat in the woods so that the story has a happy end. But where do you want the cat to? Well, we can move it anywhere. For this, I'm going to change different screens. When the cat touches the edge of the stage, we want him to go into the scene that we have chosen and escape from the bat. To change the scene, when the cat touches the edge, we don't know. How does the cat know if it is touching the edge? How does something happen when it is touching the edge? As well as how does the stage know that when the backdrop needs to be changed every time the cat is touching the edge? So here, let us design the story again. Here what we want is the cat should broadcast a message when it has hit the edge of the stage and say something. The bat receives the message and hides and it stops. Similarly, the stage will receive the message and it changes the scene. So this is the story which we will be following, and let's see how we can do it. So when I want to know that when cat is touching the edge, I will go to the sense part of the scratch where we will see touching. Let's see how we can do it. Go to sensing, touching, and then you will select edge. Now every time my cat is going to touch the edge, it has to say something. We are going to use this block and see how the cat will be responding. So I'm going to take a if condition. Then the condition will check if the sprite is touching the edge or not. So here we are saying if touching edge. In that case, we want to do something. I want my cat to say something. So I'll go to look section and I want it to say ouch for 2 seconds. Now, let's run it and see what happens. What we have learned till now: how to make the cat know it's touching the edge, how to make something happen when the cat is touching. Something that happens is called an event. Now we need to know how to change the scene when the cat touches the edge. We can write a script that changes the scene. The stage has its own script area. How are we going to change the backdrop when the cat is touching the edge of the stage? So firstly, we can program the cat to send a broadcast message every time it touches the edge. So we have to create a new broadcast message saying touching edge message. Place it in the script which is run when the cat touches the edge. So before it says ouch, it should send the message to everyone. The stage must receive the broadcast message when the cat touches the edge. I'll go to stage, and every time the stage will receive touching edge message, I wanted to change the backdrop. You can go to look section and press on next backdrop. But what I want is, it should always start with the woods and then the backdrop should be changing. So I'm going to add one more event that every time you press on the green flag, the look should always be woods Later on, we can add few more backdrops here. It could be just a bench, or it could be somewhere colorful city, or it could be some concert area. I want my cat to go everywhere. Now we have to run the story. So every time I click on the green flag, and if I press on the green space bar, the bat will appear. The scene should change when the cat moves to the edge as it's happening. But cat has not escaped from the bat. We need to make the bat disappear from the scene as soon as it changes. To make the bat disappear, we need to make sure that bat is also receiving the message that cat is touching the edge and it has to hide itself. So let's go back to bat. And every time the bat is going to receive the same message, it will hide itself. We can add more backdrops to the stage. We can switch different backdrops by using the next backdrop block. In computer programming, something that happens is called an event. We have learned about and use these events like green flag touched, key press, broadcasting, and congratulations, you have created your story. If you like the story, if you like making this project, do like, share and subscribe to Atharshila Coding Classes.